Hello everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I am so excited. I love this time of year, all the festivities, all the Christmasness, all the fun. It's a magical time of the year and what I love so much, all the lights, so amazing. My other favorite reason is because it's kind of the kickoff of winter. And I love to kick the seasons off in one very specific way. In a FabFitFun type of way. I'm very excited. The FabFitFun box just came this week for me. So I'm excited to unbox this with you guys, show you what's inside of it, what all the goodies are for this season, and really get into the fun of everything. So if you do not know what FabFitFun is one of the greatest subscriptions you can possibly have. They are lifestyle, cooking, house, fashion, jewelry, cosmetics, makeup, all of it. They have all of it, and they have these 4 incredible boxes that go out, one for each season. I am an annual member, so I pay one clump of money at the beginning of some time of every year and get these 4 incredible boxes for unreal prices. What's really cool is they have all these other different features that we can do add-ons to the box, where they have this huge catalog of things that we can go add on. And every season they work with a charity or foundation too. So really quick before we get into it, one of the add-ons that I got this type round is a multi-charging surge protector. I just got big girl things into a brand new house, and so this is really important that we kind of just have so much stuff that's being plugged in right now. And so to protect everything, it's got a USB, 2 regular outlet, and then it's got a smaller one for the new Apple chargers, ladies and gentlemen. So this is really great. And so I got this for $15 when it's usually $35. So check. And then of course with every box that I do, I donate money or one of their choices that they have for donation to the charity or foundation that they're working with. This season, it's Susan G. Komen. And so they had options for like a $5 donation, all these different types. So I did 2 $5 donations, help to give support and information to those that are going through their cancer journey, who are looking to gain more information from the Susan G. Komen, who has an incredible organization and has helped a lot of people through their cancer journey. So incredible foundation, and what better time of year to give than this time of year. You guys ready to get into this? I'm excited. Okay, so first reactions, I have not opened this. Granted, I did customize my box, but that was a little while ago. So I am seeing everything for the first time with you guys. Cracking it open. Oh my God. I love the inside of the boxes. It's like a winter wonderland. I love it. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Okay, right up at the top, actually one of my favorite things that they do is these magazines that come in. It's right up at the top, and it goes through all the different products. It has fun recipes, horoscopes, all these different things. But it's such a great magazine that they put together for each season, of kind of a collection of everything that they have going on for the season. So absolutely love this. All right, kicking it off right up at the top. I said that big girl things just moved into a house. What the funny thing is we had a great collection of things that came from each of the 3 households that we were living in. And so we did not have a shortage of a lot of utensils and things that we had in the kitchen. But some of the fun things that we didn't have, I grew up baking, and I used to love baking. And I've gotten a little bit more into it, but I did get this short stories rolling pin. It is priced at $32, but I love the wooden handles in the metal sleekness of this. It's so good. And it's 17 inches long, which is great. It's like the perfect size rolling pin. Get ready. All the Christmas cookies are getting ready to happen. And this is exactly what we need. All right, the next thing we got in our box are these Karuna Drench and Tone Duo. They're face masks. So 2 drench, 2 tone. And there's 4 of them in here. They have lovely instructions for those of us who are not talented enough in the sheet mask. But it's free of parabens and all of these other different chemicals. They're vegan, and there's 4 of them. So Drench is peony and prickly pear, and Tone is black hoof, mushroom, and antioxidants. They're to activate balance, our ultimate drench and tone face mask that is how to go big on gorgeous, glowy, party-ready skin, even if you're staying in. I like that. Good time of the year to have that out. But there are 4 of these, 2 of each. I love this, and I love the fact that they have 2 different ones in one box. All right, the next thing in here is this Way Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager. This was priced at $40. So have you ever heard of Way before? I'm sure you probably have because they're an incredible brand. So this is the Way Detox Shampoo. It's all hair types. I've actually tried this before and it smells utterly amazing. But the fun thing that they had come with this is the Scalp Massager. Way is an incredible brand. It's Jen Atkins' brand that she created years and years ago. But a nice Way scalp massager to go with the Way shampoo. Who doesn't love a good scalp massage? But really excited. This was priced at $40 together. Excited. I've been struggling, guys, with a good shampoo. So this is going to be a good one, I think, for me, just to put a little bit more time and money into, just to see if it really works for me. Coming in hot, the next thing in here are these Chinese laundry slippers. You guys know the brand Chinese Laundry. They have an incredible repertoire of beautiful shoes and fun booties and things like that. Being in a new house, I needed some house slippers just to kind of walk around in. And guys, they kind of look like the Ugg slippers. I got tread on the bottom. Oh my God. Curl me up with a blanket and just put me in front of the fire. These look so comfy, and I kind of want to put them on right now, but I have socks on, so it's a little weird. But these look so, they're so fuzzy. Okay, so these Chinese Laundry, and I got these in a medium large because I am an 8.5 foot. These were priced at $39.95. They're so good. Oh my God. Can I just put them on my feet already? All right, so I have been on the road 24/7 here lately, traveling a ton. My traveling collection of things has certainly grown. And so I've really been trying to get more organized with all my things. And so one of the things in here was this Nude Sticks hanging cosmetic case. I've been kind of looking for something very similar to this. So up here, we just have a very nice compartment, very sleek, so then it folds down. Here's the hanger right here. And then we got a nice little compartment right here and another bag where you can put like whatever we need to in here in terms of shampoo, conditioner, all those liquids that we don't want going everywhere. And then it's got a makeup compartment down here as well. Folds up really nicely to just one nice bag. So this was priced at $64, but I'm really excited that I got this because it was perfect timing for all the travels that I have going on right now, that this is kind of where it's at. So excited about this. Nude Sticks, I've never heard of this brand before, but now that I have, and now that I've seen their stuff, we're gonna be best of friends. Best of friends. And then the last thing I have in my box is actually a bundle. One of the things that I love about FabFitFun, that they started doing this a little bit of time ago, is that they started kind of bundling products together that are either similar in the same family or just a really great deal. So one of the bundles that I got was this Ace Beauty and Aria bundle. So these are reusable makeup swabs. And so it came with this Serenity eyeshadow palette in beautiful colors. And it's got a nice mirror up top, but really, really beautiful. Zen, Spa, Calm, Meditate, Utopia, Earth, Bubbly, Self-Care, Retreat, Relax, Rose, and Indulge. But beautiful eyeshadow palette to kind of get this beautiful season going. So this was priced at, these two items together were priced at $45 together. So great deal of things together. And so I tell you the price of all this stuff because I'm gonna shock you real quick. The total value of this box was $240.95. I pay about $199 a year. Now imagine you having $240 worth of stuff every season in 4 different boxes. That's almost $1,000 worth of just beautimous products and things that you can have. So I absolutely love FabFitFun. If you are not a subscriber already and you don't have this box, go get yourself one. If you aren't a subscriber, great gift for somebody else in your family or for a loved one, friend, whatever it may be, girlfriend that you have. Go get them a FabFitFun box because it is that time of year, and it is a fabulous time of the year for also giving as well. So the link to FabFitFun is going to be down below, as well as the link to Susan G. Komen, so you guys can go and donate money as well. But guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.